Hi Noblesville East. This is your librarian, Mrs. Clark, and this is a tutorial for getting Comics Plus set up on your iPad. Comics Plus is a database that has lots of graphic novels and manga for you to peruse and read. If you do not have the MackinVIA app set up yet, please get that done first because we will be accessing Comics Plus through MackinVIA. So first thing you need to do is open up MackinVIA and make sure you're logged in. This is the kind of home screen for MackinVIA, and on the left-hand side you can see a list of different options. To get to Comics Plus, we're going to click on Databases. It will open to a page that looks similar to this. And you might need to scroll a little bit, or you'll see Comics Plus right there. And we will tap on Open Now. This will open up Comics Plus for you and take you to the home screen. If you notice, there's lots of different options here. You can see some of the featured graphic novels and manga, things that are popular, things that have been recently added, and you can even go to categories and do different searches that way. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this search bar, and I'm going to search for Maximum Ride, which tends to be a pretty popular series. So after I searched Maximum Ride, I can go ahead and scroll, and I can see there are several books there within the series. If I'm interested in one in particular, I'm going to tap on that book. So for instance, I'm going to tap on Maximum Ride #1. And I have a couple options here. If I know that this is a book that I want, I can go ahead and tap on this play button, and that will open up the book for you. If it's something that you're not sure that you want just yet, you can tap on more details and it will give you a little bit of a summary of the book. If at any time you have any questions, you can definitely let me know. Mrs. Clark, your librarian. I hope you enjoy Comics Plus.